Hey y'all, we got another haul today. This is a V4. That's what they're saying how to pronounce it on Google. I don't know if it's correct or not, but I do have my die cut machine is that, and I do have a hat press that I've never opened. I got it last summer. I needed to open it. It's also the V4. Alright, my husband bought me this. So, I'm not for sure what it is, y'all. I mean, I know what it is. But the size and dimensions and all that stuff, I don't know. Alright. This is Crazy Blade. 4.2 kilograms in weight. It's net weight, and gross weight is 5 kilograms. And there is nothing on the box anywhere except for it says Amazon shipped it. Y'all know me, I better get up. It has Australia shipping on here. It says it came from Ireland, and it also came from Brighton, United Kingdom. So I guess Vevor, Super Tools, and Tool Hub is a British thing, but they're all made in China. Alright, let me get up, y'all. Alright, I think I'm going to have to put this big old mop of mine up somewhere. Some way. Somewhere. Alright. Got a gas tank. It's got a bar cover. Got a bar. Let's see how long that bar is. Looks to me it's 13 and a half, almost 15 inch. Got a little funnel. Got a case. A whole bunch of tools and earplugs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And a chainsaw. So we're going to have fun with this, y'all. Okay, let's see. This is a 2-cycle, not a 4-cycle, so I'm going to have to get my gas oil mixture. And then I'm going to put the bar on. Got the bar to put on. Got the chain to put on the bar. Two sets of earplugs. Ooh. Got some loose screws in here. That's kind of scary. I hope it only needs 2 because that's all that's in here. So, ooh. And it's got some nasty smelling grease all over it. So let me get this all together and I'm going to get back on here. Okay, y'all. I thought about it. I thought, why am I doing this? Why am I going to do this off camera? I mean, if I'm going to mess up, I might as well do it in front of y'all, huh? It's been years since I've done this. But I guess it's like anything else. Hold on. I'm back, y'all. I had to do a coffee break. So, no rain. Can Mama put you over by your window? Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Okay. There you go. Get on up there. Come on. It's okay. Someone's out there for chainsaw. The electric company. So, she doesn't like these. Alright, you're going to have your lock right here. See this white thing? Can you see it? I can't see what y'all see in the thing. That's your brake. You can go ahead and put your brake on. When it goes down, your brake's off. So your brake is off now. Alright. You can use your lug wrench here. Do it. But they're loose enough to take them off. Okay. Okay. You can take the side off. Okay. You gotta put your teeth on. And what I mean, put that on first. And what I mean by that is these are your teeth. And I can't remember what they call this teeth. And you need these to go into the wood. Like when you're sawing, it gives you a grip to grip your chainsaw. It gives you a little torque. I'm just going to get them started with this. I'll try to zoom in where y'all can see, and hopefully my hair is not in the way. Okay, I got my... I can't stand doing anything manually. And I don't have my torque wrench. I just got a regular old drill. Torque drill. And got it set on 3, so it's real loose. It's not going to put a lot of torque into that because you don't want to strip it, and this is plastic. Okay. Then you're going to take your bar and your chain. And on your chain, you have a long bar right here, see a little cutting area, and then you have a short one. The short one goes frontward. Okay, you're going to put it on your bar. There's a little groove. See the groove? That's the groove that your chain goes in on your bar. So that's what you're going to put on. First I'm going to put my chain on because it's got to go over this. Let me turn around where y'all can see. Okay, so I'm there. Then I'm going to put my bar with the slide part on the 2 bolts. And then you're going to put your chain on your bar. And make sure your little piece is in front. You know, your little saw part. And you're going to make sure it's... See how it's rotating back here and turning this? Okay. Put that there. You got 2 little tits here in the back. You're going to put them in first. And once you put them in, it should slide on. And you got to move the bar to fit this part right here. There you go. It's in. So then you can put your nuts back on. Now when you put these back on, you're going to tighten them with your lug wrench. Hold on, Rain, don't you come over here. You're getting out of my way. You don't have to tighten them all the way yet, because you see how the chain is right here? You're going to take a screwdriver and put it in here. And what that is, it's going to tighten the chain. See how the chain's getting tighter? Ooh! Wayne, you a crazy girl. You a crazy girl. Okay. See how I got my chain tight? You don't see it sagging anymore? Got a mosquito bite. Hold on now. And now I want to tighten these 2 again. And I'll put the brake back on. We ready now. I just got to go get my gas and oil mixture, and we'll be ready to cut some stuff down, y'all. So I'll break from now, and then we're going to go get that, and we're going to do that. And I'll have to change and put my hair up and get all safety. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, I'm going to try this chainsaw out. Don't know if I can swing it. So it's on. Oh God, I know it's my arm. It's not gonna do it. Ah. Yeah! Wait. Give me a second. I'm running out of juice. Oh.